Hi friends, welcome to Nistila's Kitchen. Today we are going to make India's all-time favorite Boondi Laddu. Come on, let's start the process. Take 2 glasses of gram flour or besan. When you're taking the flour, pack it nicely and take it. And also this flour has to be sieved before taking. Take 2 glasses into a bowl and add 1/8 teaspoon of cooking soda into that flour and give it a good mix. And now start mixing the flour with water. Keep adding little quantities of water, and our batter should be a little thicker than the dosa batter's consistency. Have a look here. It should be like this. This batter consistency is a little thicker than the dosa batter, and make sure that there are no lumps. Now our batter is ready. Keep it aside, and now let's start making bundi. For making bundi, you can use bundi maker or a normal slotted spoon. Now let's heat the oil in a pan for deep frying bundi. I'm just checking if the oil is hot or not. When I dropped a small quantity of the batter in the oil, immediately the batter came up. So it means that our oil is hot enough. Now take one ladle full of batter and pour it in the bundi strainer and keep stirring it until the bundis fall into the oil. Also ensure that you clean the excess batter from the bundi strainer by keeping it in the upside direction like that. Now, our bundi must not be very crunchy nor soft. See, when you press it outside, it should be crunchy and it should be soft from inside. This is the correct consistency. See, once again, I'm taking another ladle full of batter and I'm making second batch of bundis. And also take another strainer to collect all these bundis that are fried in the oil so that the oil gets strained. And one important tip here is it doesn't take a lot of time for the bundi to be fried. So we have to be very careful and ensure that the bundi is taken from the oil in the right time. See, now our bundi is ready. While you are frying the bundi, fry one batch of bundi in a little crunchy way. See, I have fried one batch of bundi in a crunchy way and now I am adding it into a mixer jar and make it into a fine powder and keep it aside. Now to fry the dry fruits, take 2 tablespoons of ghee in a small pan and once the ghee melts, add a good amount of cashew nuts and fry them and take it into a separate bowl. Now to the same pan, add raisins and fry raisins also and take them in a bowl. Now let's start making sugar syrup. Take 1 glass of water into a pan and 2 glasses of sugar. Please remember, we have to use the same glass that we used to measure the gram flour. After adding the sugar, give it a good mix. Now, take a small piece of edible camphor. See, it should be of this size and crush it with your fingers and add it to this sugar syrup. See, now our sugar is melted and slowly we have to check the consistency. Now, for making laddus, our sugar syrup must be in single thread consistency. See, I am just touching the syrup and it's just slightly sticky. Now turn off the stove and add the bundi mixture into this sugar syrup. See, add it completely and also the powder that we have made and kept ready, add that powder also into the same pan. And after adding these, give it a good mix. See, now the consistency is looking little waterish, but as you keep stirring it, we will see the right consistency. See, now add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder to the same mixture. Now add the dry fruits that we have fried and kept. Now give this mixture a good mix and keep the lid and keep it aside for 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes, I have started making laddus. Apply ghee to both the palms and take required amount of bundi mixture into your hand and make laddus by pressing them in between your palms. See, the laddus are ready. Hope you will also try them at home. If you liked the recipe, share it with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Bye.